D, come help me cook. Stop touching that phone and help me.
Ugh, you always ask me. Why can't you ask your son Peng? He's always sitting around doing nothing.
Stop complaining. This is something that girls should do, not boys. I've told you many times already. Now come here.
I'm not your slave, Mom. You make me do this all the time. What's the point?
Keep acting like that, or you won't get a husband. He's going to leave you if you don't do your job. Now stop talking back, watch, and learn.
So, Mom, can I get some money for a security deposit?
Security deposit? Are you trying to run away?
I want to get an apartment and live on my own.
You know we don't have money like that. Your dad is always working. It's barely enough to pay off the house bills. You're only 18. You don't even have a job or save money. Why would you even think about leaving the house already? Now go do the dishes before your dad comes home. D, do it right so it's clean. See? This is how you should do it. Use a sponge, not your hands, idiot.
I am using a sponge. I just put it away.
D, I already told you to get off your phone. Do you want me to hit you?
Oh no. No, I heard you.
This is why you don't know anything. Every time I show you something, you always touch that damn phone and never care to listen. Don't you care about your future? Why can't you just listen and do the work? Why can't you focus and get it done without me asking you so many times?
Mom, you always say the same stuff all the time. When are you ever going to say something different? It's always my future, my future. Why can't it be?
Ty, why are you arguing with your mom again? You need to stop talking to your mom like that. Now, is the food ready or not?
Yes, hun, it's ready.
Mintai, go help your mom set up the table and tell your siblings to come eat too.
Why can't you or Mom understand me? All I hear are expectations. I'm trying my best, okay?
D, D, come back here right now.
Come in. Let me guess. You argued with mom again.
结果对象，觉得你是这多不要，
Like I started it.
Kuchi yo tu pina.
Well, yeah. Who wants to start an argument?
要嘛，去莫令的啥世界，
Mom does, apparently.
Nia saka.
King, did you see?
Gang, couple pop.
Oh, my bad. I didn't think you were having a whole thing.
Oh, she bought the niche and she ta.
What is that?
Koko yo dachi.
Oh, this bad boy? Art. You wouldn't understand.
Khó no. Yo không hay sư, niche bỏ.
It's food?
Masu sha.
Exactly. Multi-purpose.
Yo go, she tao chơi à.
Can we move on?
老被他了，
So, what happened this time?
Ê, 我家里片，
The usual. Mom thinks I don't respect her.
Koko su. Nia sa tia kuchi hu nia.
Well, she's not wrong.
硬要跳嘛，
Oh, so now you're on her side.
Ko sai nia sha lo.
Whoa, I didn't say that. Maybe just try not to set her off daily.
只要，但是超评价价你带里呢，
Oh yeah, let me just erase my entire personality and become the perfect daughter.
Olima. Kia ku mo kutu kia pu pa che. Oi tun sai zhong.
Hey, at least then she stopped yelling at us too.
Rong go, ôi con nè thiết chỉ chạy bên.
It's not funny. She never listens. She just assumes I'm being difficult.
Chị sao lo. Nia chim long ku hai li. Nia ping sa tia ku tang yao sư.
I know.
You staying here for a bit then?
Ê, có nhỏ nhỏ nói ít lẽ lỏ.
Maybe.
Tây rau.
Alright, but no stealing my blankets this time. 但是昨夜骨头吧，
You two are such babies.
我讲你 only 上面有用。
You're the baby.
Con da yo tu min yo yao.
T, have you seen my briefcase? I think I left it somewhere.
我不把咕噜拿，我冇找老师。
Oh, here it is.
Oh, nhỏ nó.
I forgot to mention, I'm going to pick up your uncle today. He's coming to visit for a little bit.
Nụ nọ của yo một tờ lo sai bê plea.
Also, did you apologize to your mom yet?
Có bắt tờ thọ chỉ cho con nè.
No, because she's not going to apologize to me.
Chị tao. Ku te bao nia yo chị thoát zero ku.
Look, mom's not perfect. She nags, she's harsh, and sometimes she doesn't talk nicely. But you act like she's against you. She's not.
Thái, con nè yên chỉ trong ta trái ạ. Nếu bị thea hay đồ trả tế thấu. À she sau phim xả tiền nếu she got shia con.
It feels like she is.
Có là hay sư.
What am I supposed to do? Just sit there and let her treat me like I'm an idiot?
E ku yo ara chi ma. Nia te shai ku li tu nang to.
No. Stop acting like you know everything.
Chỉ yo nè, cho lại có bố thôi à.
I'm 18, Dad. I'm an adult. I can make my own decisions. I can learn to do things along the way.
Chị, ku te mo ku yi hiong la. Ku yang bao ta te bao cha to ku tu keng la.
You're still too young and you have so much to learn, Tai.
Có chuyện nhiều chỉ tao bố ta. Có chuyện chuông đâu ya, có chỉ tao bao.
I just want her to believe in me.
Ku sa ku nian jeng te cha ku sư.
Then show her. Show us that you can take care of yourself.
Chị ô cậu có nè bố kia. Ô cậu bé bố tìa có hiên ba tàu có tờ king.
Whatever.
Xiao li lao.
Here, I know you didn't eat last night. No, no. Go both there, cause you know more, no. I said here, eat it. No, no, ha.
I don't want it. Go away.
Ku chi sa no. Kia mu.
Ooh, fruits. I'ma take one.
Zisha, nói khó shong.
Put it down, Ping. It's not for you.
Chia to con.
What? Then who's it for?
Ê, giờ đâu linh tư mà.
It's for your sister. Don't touch it.
Cô đâu xin nè. Sao con?
Oh, come on. One piece won't hurt.
Nói khó sư chỉ vật cả.
Ping, what did I just say?
Cả chị nào cô lo?
Hey, what did I just say?
Cơ chỉ nào cú lá.
Just go do something.
Kim mua hả lư?
Oh, I'm sure the floor won't sweep itself.
Chế yêu chỉ chế chế li mà.
Don't get smart with me, boy.
Sao mua mua cô à?
Whatever. Don't care.
Lunch is ready.
Marshalla, lắm nó.
You heard your brother. Go eat.
Cả nó lo. Muốn nó mò.
Whatever.
Oh, now you want to eat?
Ai ya ya ya. Giờ trái black thế sao?